I think I'm gonna knock out a couple, do a 2-in-1. I don't think this will take too long.
Latitude today, Scotty. Good evening from Singapore. Should one service a car with a turbo?
Why does he have so many? Why does he have so many people watching him in Singapore? I know the car scene in Singapore is pretty nice. I mean, you see some killer vehicles there, some very nice vehicles, well maintained. A lot of luxury vehicles there, but I don't understand why so many people watch him there.
Civic with automatic transmission turbo more often than a non-turbo. Yes, because turbocharging rams more air into
Here he goes.
Same thing as building up the engine, having higher compression. The engine puts out more horsepower.
Yep, that's the point. That's the point. That's what people want. That's why you have a turbo. If you want longevity and reliability and good gas mileage and all that stuff, you get a different car. It just all depends on what you want.
More horsepower going into the transmission. It strains the transmission. On that particular vehicle, personally, I would change the...
But if you don't drive... See, that's the thing, is that happens... There's a point when the turbo is engaged, and before that, like, you're not increasing the compression, or you're not putting that extra stress on the engine and transmission. So if you don't drive it, if that's what you're concerned about, and you don't drive it hard, it's not going to matter. So it's still a non-issue.
Transmission.
So that's all I'm going to do over that one. And let's see, the worst car Volkswagen ever made. Stupid things people do when selling cars. Listen to Scotty.
I'm going to buy my co-workers 94 F-250 5.8 two-wheel drive truck with 137,000 miles on it.
Wow.
$1,700. Is it a good deal? As they generally say, and it's kind of a truism, never sell a car to a friend and never buy a car from a friend. A lot of times you get kind of stuck in the middle that way, and then somebody gets mad.
All right, don't miss out on a great deal just because of some phrase somebody came up with a while ago. For that phrase is made for stupid people. That's all it is. It's made, that phrase is regarding stupid, fragile people who can't handle themselves and who can't handle social situations and who can't deal with their own problems. That's what that phrase is made for. You know, if my friend offered me a low mileage F-250 for $1,700, I'm the one who decides to buy it, and it's up to me. It's my responsibility to make sure it's what I'm paying for, and at that price, it's a really good price, I think. You would be stupid to pass it up if that's what you want. And that's just, if a friend is offering to sell you a great car, buy it.
Often a mistake to buy it from people, but that said, 137,000 miles isn't much on a 5.8 F-250. Those are big trucks. They come around a long time. But like anything, don't make it personal. Pay a guy like me, a professional mechanic, to check it out before you buy it. Because
at that price, buy it regardless. Any problems that come up, you could repair cheaply anyway. All right. So that's it. That's kind of two short ones. All right. Thanks.